Welcome. If you want to transfer data from Android smartphone to your Xiaomi Redmi Note 9, for the first you have to go for the Play Store and download application to transfer data. So let's tap on the search pool and type here CLONEit. We are going to use this really easy and free application. Let's click install, and of course on the second smartphone you have to do the same, but I did it and I can right now open this up. Just wait on the Xiaomi. Let's click open right here. Accept all of the permissions that you got on your screen. And right now you have to click sender on your Android phone and receiver on your Redmi. Click send again. Click on this Android share icon, and we have two ways to connect. We can scan this code, but also we can input the password manually, so we have to pick your way. I'm going to scan the code. And as I said before, if you got any request for the permission, just click allow all the time. This is what this application needs to work properly. Accept right here this request. And right now, if you want to send all of the data, you have to select all of these icons and then just click start. For example, if you want to send only contacts, you only leave the contact selected and then tap start. The same for the photos and any other things that you want to send. But it's only example, so I'm going for the details. And I will show you the example on the music. So I'm going to pick up these two songs, and other I'm going to unselect. Click start, OK. And as you can see, it's finished. So right now we can check where we can find the files, and it will be probably in the file manager. And I think it will be in the downloads on the music. Let's check. And yeah, here it is in the downloads. So that's how you can send it. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.